सिच्युएशन रिजॉल्व केलो कितें जालें
Hari Baba, this is a local issue actually. You understand? No, unnecessary other people are getting themselves involved. Like that's what I've just heard. We want to basically say now this is an issue which has been pending for the past 25 years. I clearly remember. So we had, sir. Sir. So we had basically for the past 5 years. Now I remember after I got elected. Before that, actually, all these people were not permanently placed there. The municipalities to come and remove them off and on. They will also speak on this issue. Now then, what has happened for the past 25? When once I got elected, I went with Mr. Manohar Parrikar at that time when he was the chief minister. And then we said that these are the local people and they need to basically to be, they should not be displaced from here. So that is the reason the width of that jetty was raised, so that these people can be placed there. So that is the issue. Now we want to settle that issue once. Now unnecessary someone or the other people are pinning these people. At last these people will be displaced if I am just trying to say if these people start listening to all Tom, Dick and Harry. Now I am saying what is going. You should find a solution to a problem. You should not create a problem to already a problem which is been. So we are trying to get that thing solved. We will see.
पहिले तो स्ट्रक्चर बांदिल्लो होतो तांकां चेंजीस जाय आशिल्लो म्हणून आतां वेगळो करता दिसता ते
सगळें जाय तांकां जाय तशें केलेलें आहा and these people will get others. You go and see the place. You go and see. This is a touristic spot basically, and it should remain clean. But you just see it looks really like Shanti slum. Looks like some Dharavir
slum
like a slum area.
So you will resolve the issue. So issues have been resolved.
Issue has already been resolved. Now someone is trying to basically create an issue out of this. While those people have got no this thing itself, they have got no role to be played. Someone from north, south, and whoever are coming. I have got nothing against anyone, but I am just saying we are just trying to resolve the issue. And there are some people who wants to complicate it. Some people wants to see that these people are not placed. They want to be there to keep them like that only. The way I want basically just at least they should remember at least they were replaced
in proper place. ती वयर प्रतिष्ठाला हाडून दल्ल्या मध्ये तांकांच दिसता न्हू ती अकॉर्डिंग आमचे NIO क्वार्टर्स आहा पळय तिका फाटल्यात
हय तिंगा ते हें करताले
पूण ती जेटी रिनोवेट करून सुद्दां आतां वयर बीन आतां मेल्यान मोडून पडल्या 3 वर्सां घेतले
तेंच्यानी ते आतां रेनोवेट केलेले वाडले आतां ते इट वॉज अ कास्ट आयर्न
डेंजरस जाला
डेंजरस जाला म्हणजे कोण टँक लॉ दिसता तिंगा कोण टुरिस्ट टँक पडले आतां कितें आतां तें इट इज नॉट आयर्न दॅट यू कॅन जस्ट वेल्ड इट एंड because it is a cast iron. There is a different type of material that got to be used basically to do that.
But करोडांनी इतले स्पेंड करून तेंच्यानी एक्चुअली सारखे मटेरियल घालूंक जाय आशिल्लें न्हू टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटान.
See, don't ask me about those things. I am not answerable to all those.